For them, even as changing a job at after 5 years or 7 years also is a big anxiety. They will be like, "Arey, again, how are you going to do?" For my parents specifically,
Yeah.
after one startup, when I start another startup, they were like, "Again, you're starting up again? What is wrong with you again?
Yeah.
You just settled in your job right now. You're doing well in Citrus Pay or PayU.
Right.
Why are you starting off all over again?" And they have that anxiety of why are you doing this all every 5 years doing something new, or every 7 years doing something new. It's the same thing now. From our generation to the next generation, something has to go different, right?
Right.
They are not bothered about roti kapda pakan. All of that has been taken care of by the grandparents or
Right.
the parents' generation, and that is not the need. Most of our generation probably went off in paying EMIs for all the loans that we would have taken in our 20s and 30s.
Right.
So we would be the rest of our working life is going to be all about paying off those EMIs and taking care of all of those debts and all. The Gen Z, they're not the ones who are going to take EMIs at all. I don't think,
Yeah.
housing loan or auto loan or all of these things really
True.
exist for them. They're just about renting things. Today I want to live in a villa. I want to experience what the life is.
Yeah.
Let me go and rent a villa. Tomorrow I want to, next year I just decided I want to see what it is to stay on the 26th floor. So let me just go and, rent a penthouse.
Yeah.
They like that kind of flexibility, and that's not something that at least our generation would do. The ones of who are in our late 30s or early 40s, we really wouldn't agree to that. We would be
Yeah.
like, I need to take a housing loan, I need to get a house somewhere, I'll keep paying EMIs, I'll find jobs that will sustain those EMIs, I'll
Sure.
keep getting salaries that will sustain those EMIs. But Gen Z is different. They don't want to get tied to a certain place because their car is there or because their home is there. They just want to have that flexibility to move around. Today I'm working in Bangalore. Tomorrow I'm working in next year I just decided I want to experience what Delhi is. I'll go and find a job in Delhi.
Right.
So it's all about living life to the fullest
Right.
without having any holdbacks for that generation.